First of all, open your Roblox in your preferred browser, then go to Create, select Creations. Under Experiences, you have to select the game or experience where you want to add a donation board. So in my case, I'm selecting this experience. And now from the experience page, in this left-hand menu, click on Monetization and select Developer Products. And here, click on Create New Dev Product. And here, product name type here 10 and product price give 10. Click on Save Changes. And here we can see the first item add date. Now let's create another dev product. This time I'm typing here 25, giving amount 25, save change. Let's create another item 50, giving price 50, save changes. So that's how you have to create all your donation board, donate amount or prices. So as you can see, I've created 10, 100, 150, 200, 25, 50 and 75. And now all you have to need, go to Configure, Overview, and open your experience in Roblox Studio. Once you are in your Roblox Studio, come to Toolbox and here click this search, type here donation board and select donation board in model. And here we have to add this donation board. So just add the plugin, click on OK. And here we can see the donation board add date. Now we will customize this. So come to this Explorer, expand dono board. In here, double click these products to open. And now here we will replace all of these donation products ID with our development product ID. So here we can see the first one. So I'm going back to my Roblox here, clicking on monetization, developer products. Now let's copy the first 10 asset or product ID. So this is 10 Robux. So here I'm typing 10 and pasting my product ID, and then copying 25 product ID and typing here 25, pasting product ID, and then I'm copying 50 product ID and typing here 50. That's how you have to replace all of these product ID with your development product IDs. And now if you want to add more items, all you have to do is just copy this code from here, hit enter, paste, and now let's add here 200, copy the 200 donate ID, pasting it here. Now let's save our game. So click on File, Save to Roblox, then go to File, click on Publish to Roblox. Now all you have to need, test your game, and here we can see the donation board successfully added and it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching.